So at Deghuee, the importance of a structured program has been with us since our inception. Our vision for the company's vision is one of where the fear and pain and suffering of cancer are a thing of the past, and that happens to be the same vision that our customers have, and is the same vision that our patients have. So we've always been a customer-centric organization. We were founded by a surgeon who understood what it was like to treat patients who have cancer, and that's been part of who we've been. So as we're growing and becoming more successful, and as we're getting to be a larger organization, we're putting in place some structured methods to measure what we've always done really well, which is to be close to our customers. I'm Michael Deghuee. I'm the Vice President of Global Field Service at Deghuee. We're a company that design, build, manufacture, and service equipment that treats cancer. We have these systems installed all around the world, and we have a customer service organization that provides support for the customers that use these machines. So at Deghuee, when we're implementing our customer satisfaction surveys, we have quite a few different segments that we look at. There's a hospital administrator, who's a person who has the equipment, who wants to make sure that they get a good ROI on the device and make sure that the machine is running up to specifications, what it's supposed to be. There's the physicians involved who are treating the patients, who want the best outcome for the cancer treatments. There's the operators who use the machine on a day-to-day basis, who are the ones that are bringing the patients through the lab to get the treatment. So all of those people have different needs and different buying influences for the customer, and we look at them separately, but we also look at the customer as a whole. We have quite a few customer satisfaction things that we measure. We measure a Net Promoter Score, which is for product and for services. We have quite a few different third-party organizations that also collect industry data that we subscribe to, that we look at different views, either by geography or by market segment, how the people are perceiving the product and how they're perceiving the ancillary services that we provide. So as we're growing as a company, we were a small company. We're a little larger now, but we're still relatively small. So we're a 400-person company. So we're just getting to that size where we're getting large enough to where these formal programs are starting to take place. So the North Face Scoreboard Award is the first time that we've been recognized formally by an outside organization for our customer service. And we actually won the award for Net Promoter Score for services and for customer satisfaction. We were the first company to do that, and we're quite proud of that. So that's the first formal award that we've had. We do have quite a few informal surveys that we gather data on and watch from year to year. So for us, customer loyalty is key. We have a long-term relationship with our customers. These devices are usually in the lab for 7 to 10 years. So we're in it for the long run with them. And what we want to do is have them in a place when they go to buy an additional piece of equipment that they would consider us to be the provider of that equipment. And they consider us by having our vision statements aligned because we both want the same thing, which is a future where cancer is fear and the pain of cancer is a thing of the past. So by delivering that on a day-to-day basis, by delivering products and services that are meaningful for their clinic, are the way that we ensure that loyalty, so that when it comes time for that buying decision, that they look our way. Communication of the surveys back to the customer is important to us. Oftentimes we do a lot of transaction surveys. So after a major service event has happened and the machine has been down, we'll telephone the customer to find out what we could have done better to improve the service. And sometimes we use a third party to do that telephone, an impartial third party. Sometimes we'll do those telephone surveys ourselves. If the third party does the telephone survey and we get a low score, one of our management team will call back to see what we could do. So we're constantly feeding back to customer, yes, we heard you, we heard what you said, and we'll make improvements on it. So my advice to anybody who's thinking about creating a customer-focused program would be to involve a professional organization such as the Omega Group or some other third party to help who've set these programs up before, because this isn't the first time that they've done that type of thing, and they can help you get organized and to put in place the processes you need to formally get the recognition that you deserve. So one of the areas that we've used the data to improve our operations, we got some feedback from customers where the scores were lower than what we were happy with, and actually frankly lower than what we thought we were performing. And so it's a wake-up call for us to get busy and to put some changes in place to get back to a place where we're exceeding those customer expectations.